I'm here with Executive Chef David Cordua of the Cordua Group here at his restaurant, Américas. Now, the South American sauce is chimichurri. You're going to show us how to make that?
It's almost a constant through your entire meal at Américas. As soon as you arrive, we'll greet you with a bowl of plantain chips, and you get 3 different sauces, and probably the most popular is chimichurri. It's also the marinade, condiment, and garnish for our best-selling item, the churrasco steak. So I was going to walk you through how we make our chimichurri. What do you think?
Exactly. Yes. Thank you for sharing your secret.
Yeah. So the most important thing is the parsley and how you treat the parsley. The biggest mistake a lot of people make is either making the sauce in the blender or in the food processor. There's only 2 ways that this works. One is with a really sharp knife, and the other, which is the way that we make it here, is by grinding it in a meat grinder. We take curly leaf parsley, this is 2 bunches, and we dip it in olive oil and put it through a meat grinder. The reason why we do that is that it doesn't let out that much water from it. So, and even after that, we're going to strain out that parsley. See how it's relatively dry?
Yes.
That's what we're looking for. We're going to season that with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of dry oregano, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, a 1/3 cup of minced garlic, minced fine. That you can do in a food processor or by hand. And that's what gives chimichurri its punch, is that almost spicy hit of garlic. And to that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, and that's going to help dissolve all that seasoning. And lastly, 1 cup of Goya extra virgin olive oil. This is their organic. This
Organic.
gives
Okay, so
that beautiful color.
Now, what is the difference between organic? I mean, for the actual flavors.
It has to do with the cultivation.
I see.
Of what kind of pesticides they're using, what kind of fertilizers they're using. It's the cleanest possible. But it's also a fantastic olive oil. Now, we're not trying to emulsify here. We're just going to mix everything together.
So you just gently blend.
We're just going to gently blend, and this is one of those things, it does need to sit, for an hour. It's even better the next day, because all those flavors kind of blend together.
So how long do you just blend it gently?
That's it. Yeah, we're not trying to make an emulsification here. We're just kind of blending all the ingredients together, and this is what we use to finish the churrasco steak, like so. So 2 rules with chimichurri: you have to love garlic, and it's best shared with someone else who's having it as well.
Okay, that's me. Love garlic.
Just give this a taste with the plantain chips.
Buen provecho. Bon appetit.
Get the brightness from the vinegar, that punch of garlic, and freshness from the parsley. Say it with me now one time. Chimichurri.
Chimichurri.